Hello everyone! This is my review of the Twinpod Cloud Car. It was released in 2002 and cost around $10 when it came out. It contains one minifigure, Lobot. He was the assistant of Lando in Cloud City. Now his face, a very simple face. And on the back of his face he has a metal plate. He wears a grey tunic. So it's a very simple minifigure, but very cool. And now our Cloud Car. You can put two minifigures in the ship. The doors open like this. Very cool. And in the middle there's an engine-like compartment which opens like this. Now let's close everything. Now the ship itself is quite small, and I really like the fact that you can put two minifigures in it. Let's rotate it a little bit. On the inside you can see a control panel, and let's put Lobot in our ship. So let's put Lobot in our ship, like that. Close it again. Lobot's very comfy in his ship. So that was a review of the Twinpod Cloud Car. I really like it, and I really like the fact that you can put two minifigures in it. So I rate this set 7 clouds out of 10. Please subscribe and leave some comments below. Bye!